Let's do this. This is the super secret ride out, the one after the secret ride out. Let's BJ lead the way and show us the Missouri delights. Oh, we got the right day for it though, that's for sure. My last day here, and we've wrapped up the event, and now we're just gonna ride. Oh, he's not too far from some country roads, so let's see what's around. Is this going to be another victory lap? Oh, it is. Oh no. Oh, it is. Thanks for that, BJ. Nice. Is that bit better for the sound quality? I hope so. Oh, honestly guys, this week has been an absolute blast. I've spent it with good people, doing cool things, and seeing America in like the way I want to see it. Don't get me wrong, I've been to Waffle House this morning, we've done Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell within the first hour of landing, you know, even Target. But really, this is the whole point of me being here, is these rides right now. And I wouldn't change it for the world. Oh, look at the, just look, yeah, we don't get this in the UK. We did 170 miles yesterday, nearabouts. And today I think we're going to do maybe 70 more. Just because we've got the event and all the stress behind us. And this is where we can actually really enjoy spending some time together and not worrying about time constraints or anything like that. Plus I don't know when I'm going to come back, so if he asked me to ride, and I was like, hell yes, let's do it. Oh, this road looks a bit sketchy though. Yeah. This is not very nice. Boink! That's better. Wee. Oh, I'm so glad we've managed to make this happen. Another ride. Yeah, the American suburbs and the slight country tones you get around here. Yeah, this is brilliant. Yeah, if you're tuning in, hi guys, I'm Jish, welcome back to the channel. We're in the heart of America, in Missouri, St. Louis. We're riding bikes, good people. We've got a BJ and two Ryans with us today. Nice! I can't get over some of the houses here and the space, the room. You get to see all the red barns and yeah, the picturesque little townhouses and churches and all that. It's gorgeous. We got BJ ahead and both the Ryans are behind, and we're literally just going for a chill ride, find some spots to take some photos, and yeah, just beautiful little locations that I wouldn't get to see back at home. Honestly, I've been here a week and I feel like I've really made the most of it with the things we've done, the people we've hung out with, the activities, yeah, all of it. I couldn't have asked for a better trip, and I just want to say thank you, BJ, thank you for inviting me to be a part of this week. And yeah, it's a humbling experience, it's a moving one, and I'm so proud of you. And I can tell you're enjoying it right now, riding that V-Strom. not on the motorway or the highway. Yeah, this is a good day. Hey horse! Let's go, guys. Oh, it's so warm now. Destination where we will go and play with bikes. Poke the choke. Look at that truck over there. That's not the first time I've said it this week. I thought that's a dwarven grill then. I'd love to go to a dwarven grill. I had to think about that one then. I don't think BJ knows, but this road is beautiful. Like, I could take photos here and I would be loving it. Honestly. Even right here, where there's trees one side and nothing the other. Honestly. I know we wouldn't want to stop here, but tractor, that'd be cool. Take photos of that too. Let's give it some. I don't know why I went goblin mode then, but I did. Oh, this man is all beautiful, all of it. Oh, I can't believe I fly tomorrow, man. It's going to be 2 days of travelling for me, but... And I'm probably going to be very sore from the last 2 days riding. And working and filming and all that, but I can sleep when I'm dead. Or at least when I get back. Destination. Oh, look at the colours of the trees, man. See, I always thought the trees in the UK went discoloured because they were dying because it was cold, but it's coming into fall here too, and it's 30 something degrees today, and the trees are still going brown. How weird. It's surreal. Oh, he just looks so comfortable on a bike. Not like me. But again, he's probably been riding a lot longer than I have. That is a photo right there. Backlit BJ in the heart of America. Well, or just his hometown. Yeah, both Ryans are behind. motherfuckers! Mr. Truckman. Blumenhof! That's a winery. That's cool. Anyway guys, I'm going to say goodbye now just because my battery might die any moment, but thank you very much for watching. Much love to you all. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Peace!